Well, we're going to stay with the fintech space because, as Anuj was telling us, it is a large space with many players and a deep market. And today we have the MSME-focused Fintech Namdev Finvest, which has raised $19 million in a pre-CVC funding round. It was founded in 2013 and is now present across 7 northwestern states, currently with assets under management of more than 1,120 crores. With this latest round, it has raised more than $40 million to date, and joining us now to tell us more about the funding and the company's growth plans ahead is its MD and CEO Jitendra Tawar. Jitendra, welcome to Startup Street. Thanks very much for your time here. Let's start with this $19 million of pre-Series C round because, this is coming just months after you recently raised $15 million from British International Investment in January itself. So is this an ongoing round, or how much more are you looking to raise in total before you close it?
Thank you so much. So in January already we have closed Series B round of $15 million from British International Investment, Lighthouse and Incofin as well. And also in March 27 we have raised a pre-Series C round from March Investment of rupees $19 million. So this is the pre-series investment from March Investments, and also with a promoter and then the employees. And
sure, is this going to give you? Go ahead.
Yeah, and to till date, already company has raised to around maybe $40 million to till date, right? From September 17 to till date. And also we are planning to again main Series 3 round in September 24. Around maybe quantum around maybe $30 to $40 million will be raised in planning.
All right, so another $13 to $14 million. What do you propose to do with all of this capital? Because as an NBFC, of course, you require to grow your book. But are there other avenues where you need to deploy this, or what's the plan?
So in NBFC sector in financial, right? So raw material is the money, right? So already in year-on-year basis from the portfolio growth, so we have planned to raise on equity sides already, right? So like for as on March 24 we have closed to 150 crore AM, and then also next year we'll be planning around maybe 2,400 crores AM. And also we are present in 7th Northwest state in India, right? So mainly capital are infusing in for the books of branches as well as to groom for our loan book as well.
I see. You've disbursed about 50,000 loans. Your AUM is now at 1120 crores. What is the current mix between MSME, which is the large portion, and the green financing vertical? Is that showing promise of growth, and what sort of AUM growth are you targeting in the next year or so?
Yeah, so in total portfolio out of 85% portfolio are MSME secure lending for tier 3 cities above, and also 15% portfolio are like green, like solar and then EV and then tech loan as well. And this year we have closed already 1,200 crore in March 24, and next year planning will be close around maybe 2,400 crores on AUM side.
Okay. Give us a sense in terms of collections, in terms of your performance of the book, in terms of NPA, because you're dealing with these small ticket loans. We've seen some stress in the past. How is the book performing currently, and what kind of margins are you working with compared to, say, the traditional NBFCs where the cost of raising capital is typically higher?
So now our cost of fund is around approx 12 to 13%. And also we are talking about like for the NPA, for the portfolio quality, right? So 0 plus are in our company, 0 plus par is only for 7 to 8%, and gross NP is less than 1% only. Like for, so we are catering in tier 3 cities above. So unbanked customers and underserved customers already we are doing on for the MSME secure lending for type of customer, like from FMCG customer, from the dairy for the cattle purchase loans, and also barbecue sauce, parlors, boutiques, pani puri, carts. These are the typically customer segment.
All right, I got that. Just a quick question. You're concentrated in these 7 northwestern states. Do you want to remain focused in that region, or do you think you want to look to expand into other geographies?
So in this year, we'll be expand in like Uttarakhand, Bihar, and Chhattisgarh as well. So as of now, we are present in 7 northwest states with 112 branches.
All right, Jitendra, thanks very much for sharing those plans with us, and we wish you all the very best with this going forward. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
All right, moving on.